Hello students, you are most welcome to your GK class. Students, today I will discuss about this chapter. Okay, the name of the chapter is Forts of India. Okay, Forts of India. Now India is famous for many forts. Yes, India is famous for many forts. So write the name of the state where these are located. Okay. So write the name of the state where these means these forts, okay, are located. Okay. So you will write the name of the state here. Okay. First one, Golconda Fort. Okay. So where is Golconda Fort? No, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so here you will write Andhra Pradesh. A N D H R A Andhra Pradesh. P R A D E S H Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so Golconda Fort, Andhra Pradesh. Next, Fort William. Fort William, where? Now it is West Bengal. WEST, West, BENGAL, West Bengal. Okay. Next, Gwalior Fort. Now Gwalior Fort, where? Madhya Pradesh. So here you will write Madhya Pradesh. MADHYA Madhya Pradesh. PRADESH Madhya Pradesh. MADYHYA Madhya Pradesh. PRADESH Madhya Pradesh. Okay, complete. Next, Raigarh Fort. Now Raigarh Fort, where? Now Maharashtra. So here you will write Maharashtra. 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 Okay, Maharashtra. Next, Gulbarga Fort. Now Gulbarga Fort, where? Karnataka. Okay, KARNATAKA. Karnataka. Okay, KARNATAKA. Karnataka. Complete. Next, Aguada Fort. Now where is Aguada Fort? No, Goa. So here you will write Goa. So Golconda Fort, Andhra Pradesh. Fort William, West Bengal. Gwalior Fort, Madhya Pradesh. Next, Raigarh Fort, Maharashtra. Gulbarga Fort, Karnataka. And Aguada Fort, Goa. Clear? So students, you will learn and write in your GK copy. Okay, first you will learn, then you will write this in your GK copy. Okay, first you will write in your book, then you will write in your GK copy. Okay, now take out your aptitude book. So all of you take out your aptitude book and a pencil. Okay, today I will start this chapter, classification. Okay, what is the name of this chapter? Classification. Okay, now classification means grouping various objects based on their common properties. Okay, now classification means grouping various objects based on their common properties. Here, out of the given items, one is different from the others. Okay, out of the given items, one is different from the others. So this different or odd item has to be picked out from the list of the given items. Clear? First, look at this. First, read the heading. Cross out the odd one. Yes, the odd one you will cross. Okay. Look at the first one. Car, jeep, truck, bus, van, aeroplane. Okay. So look at this. Car, jeep, truck, bus, van, aeroplane. So which one is different? Can you guess? Look at this. Car, jeep, truck, bus, van, all are the land transport. Yes or no? Car, jeep, truck, bus, van, but this one is different from these. Why? Because this is a air transport. That means it is a different. So cross out the different one. Clear? Next, look at this. Potato, brinjal, ladyfinger, apple, cauliflower. Okay. So first one is, it is a vegetable. This one is the fruit. That means this is the odd one. Okay. Next, look at the question of 7. Onion, pineapple, banana, grapes, apple, peach. Okay, here the same. Look at this onion. This is a vegetable. Okay, and all are the fruits. Yes or no? Clear? So that's why we cross out this. That means onion. Okay. Next, look at the question number 9. Bear, lion, eagle, tiger, cat, and the dog. All are the animals. Okay. But eagle is a bird. So this is the different from the animals, because eagle is a bird. So that's why it is the odd one. So we cross out this odd one. Okay. It's very easy. So students, rest of the problems you will do yourself. Okay. Now turn the page. Classification letters. Encircle the odd one out. Okay. Look at this first one. Double A, double C, double P, double D. All the letters are double in. Okay. Look at this. Double A, double C, double P, double D. And here, not double E, here E and F. So this is the odd one. So that's why we just encircle this odd one. Okay. Next, look at the question number 3. DC, HG, OP, YXNM. So students, look at this. Start from this side, okay? C. After the C, G. Okay? After the C, D, okay? Next, after the G, H. Yes. After the X, Y. After the M, N. Yes. It's right. But after the P, O. No. It's a wrong. Because if O then P, not P then O, okay? So that's why this is the odd one. Clear? Look at the question number 7, okay? Double A B, double C D, double P Q, double L M and double N T. So which one is odd? Look at this. Double A B. So A then B, yes, it's right. C then D, P then Q, after the P, what? Now Q. So P Q, L M, but here N T. So double N O is the right, but double N T. So this is the odd one. Clear? Last one. Here look at the 4A, okay? A 1 2 3 4. But in this box, triple B C, triple C D, triple D E, triple E F. But here the 4A 1 2 3 4. So obviously this is the odd one. Clear? So students, in this page you also do the rest of the problems, okay? This is your homework of aptitude book. So that's it for today's class. Thank you.